Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a AI tool without having any technical skill. So let's start. For this, first of all you have to go to a website whose name is freeaikit.com. Then click on create your custom tool. You can choose a logo for your tool. You can use Canva for this. Now you can put your tool name. Then you have to put your meta title and then subheading. You have to put meta description and description also, but I'm putting my tags first. My tags are marketing, SEO and data. Then comes the option model. Here GPT 3.5 model is available. You can get version 4, GPT version 4 in the recent future also. Now comes template. I have set my template as on input on. That means the user can put only one input at the same time. Now comes input level, which is video topic. Now I'm going to filling up my prompting option. The tool will work according to my prompting direction. The prompting direction is generate paste YouTube title. I have to copy the key user input one with bracket and paste it here. I have to put my meta description and description also. And description is same like meta description. I can put my tool as private or public. Now for this time I'm going to put my tool as private. The tool will be verified up to 2 weeks, and then it will be public and we will get a link. The tool has been submitted and admin will verify it within 2 weeks. Now I'm going to tool section. For tools, the created tool is here available. I have created two tools. I can edit tool or delete from here. Now I can check my tool if it is working or not. the, for video topic I am typing like email marketing. The tool will show me 5 title for email marketing for YouTube. The result has been shown. I am seeing that 5 in output is available here, so the tool is properly working. You guys can make tool like this from here easily within few times. From the dashboard section you can see created tool. From the home section you can see free AI tools collection. like free AI image generator, AI children story generator, AI YouTube script writer, domain name generator, AI book summary generator, AI landing page generator, etc. You can use these various tools for various purposes. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe Easy Learn.